Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload community post on YouTube. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your YouTube and tap on this plus icon. Open YouTube and tap on this plus icon. After that, select the post here. From here you have to select post. After that, select any post from your gallery. After adding the post, you have to type something above the post. After typing, click on your top right, click on the post icon. In this way you can publish your post. Apart from that, you can select your post for 24 hours or for all time by clicking on this time. And you can also schedule your post by clicking above this clock icon. In this way, you can upload your post on YouTube. So here you can see the post I uploaded is looking something like this. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.